You want to make $3,600 per month online using ChatGPT and YouTube, but you don't know how to start? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use ChatGPT Plus, a free YouTube strategy to start earning consistent money every single month even, if you have zero experience, no camera, and just your smartphone. This method works in 2025 and beyond. You don't need to show your face. You don't need editing skills, and you don't need to spend a single dollar on ads or equipment. This is beginner-friendly, and if you take action, you can start earning your first dollars online even before the end of this week. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. This is CashMintAI, where I show you how to make money online using simple AI tools. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Let's jump right into it. Now to make $3,600 per month with ChatGPT and YouTube. Now listen closely. We're not starting a regular YouTube channel here where you need to film yourself or record your voice. We're talking about faceless YouTube automation, and ChatGPT will handle 80% of the work for you. Here's how this works. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Think of popular YouTube niches that are easy to automate and have high views. Examples include motivational videos, celebrity news, luxury lifestyle, tech reviews, true crime stories. Pick one that you're interested in, and let's move to the next step. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write your scripts. Once you've chosen a niche, go to ChatGPT and type a prompt like, write a 500-word YouTube script on topic in a storytelling format. ChatGPT will give you a full script for free. You can even ask it to rewrite, make it more engaging, or split it into sections. Now you have your script ready without writing anything from scratch. Step 3. Convert script into a voiceover. Optional. If you don't want to record your voice, use free AI voice generators like 11 Labs or TTS Maker. Just paste your script, choose a natural voice, and download the audio. Now you have a voiceover ready for your video without saying a word. Step 4. Create a video using free tools. Use free mobile apps like CapCut or InShot. Add video clips from free stock sites like Pexels or Pixabay. You can even use automatic video generators like Pictory or Canva. Drop your AI voiceover into the timeline, add your clips and background music, and boom, your video is done. You can do this all on your smartphone. Step 5. Upload to YouTube and optimize. Create a catchy title using ChatGPT. Example prompt. Give me 5 viral YouTube titles for a video about your topic. Then upload your video, add a good thumbnail, and start posting consistently. Aim for 3-4 videos a week. As you grow, your videos will start generating ad revenue. Once your channel is monetized, one video can make you $5 to $30 per day, sometimes even more depending on the niche. So let's do the math. If you have 10-20 good videos ranking and earning passively, you can easily cross $3,000 per month. Bonus tip. You can repurpose these videos for TikTok, Facebook Reels, and Instagram. That's more traffic, more views, and more money. You can even sell this service offer video creation to other people or businesses using ChatGPT as your backend. So just to recap, you use ChatGPT to write scripts. You use AI voiceover or your own voice. You add stock clips or images with free tools. Then upload to YouTube and repeat the process. It's free to start. No skills required. And you can do everything from your smartphone. If you want to start making money online, this is one of the most beginner-friendly ways in 2025 to do it. Now, if you want me to share exact prompts, free resources, and even a content calendar to grow your faceless YouTube channel, just drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like this video, smash that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. I'll be dropping more practical ways to make money with AI tools like ChatGPT. No hype, just results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.